Welcome back to A House is Not a Home series. Today, I'm excited to show you my newly remodeled pantry. It is not just about storage for me, it's about making a space that's functional and beautiful. So, without further ado, let's dive in. One of the first changes I made was swapping out the old pantry door for this very sleek and modern black frosted door. I got this at Lowe's and my contractor installed it. It adds a modern touch and allows a bit of light to filter through. I love it. And I decided to use these large mason jars from IKEA to store my everyday essentials like my rice, sugar, oats, grits, everything, you name it. Because not only does it look great, but it helps keep everything fresh and easy to access. Below, I'm including a description and links to everything that I have in this video in case you're interested in purchasing it. Next, I installed these beautiful shelves to go over the wire racks because the wire racks are very outdated. And I did a little research online, and through Amazon, I found this place where you can get these custom shelves. And I just really like it because it's very functional to use. You don't even realize that they're over wire racks. They not only provide more usable space, but it also creates this clean canvas for me to store my pantry items as you see me doing. So I was able to get these. They fit in perfectly. They were easy to assemble. They came in the box, and I just love the way it looks. Very sleek. And here it is, my newly remodeled pantry. To me, it's functional, stylish. It makes cooking so much more enjoyable. I love how everything is organized and easy to find. But what do you all think? Let me know in the comment section below. Feel free to leave some comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, forward to someone, and thank you so much for joining me on this pantry makeover journey.